Benelli has unveiled the M4 Advanced Impact AI Drone Guardian, a semi-automatic shotgun designed for close-range defense against drones. Based on the trusted M4 platform, this weapon offers precise targeting capabilities with an effective range of 50 meters, extendable up to 100 meters. The Drone Guardian utilizes 6.1 millimeters number 4 buckshot to neutralize airborne threats, making it an effective solution against both standard and autonomous drones. The M4 platform, known for its reliability with a short-stroke gas piston system, has been a staple in military and government operations for over 2 decades. This modified version includes advanced choke adjustments, maintaining high speed and impact energy over greater distances. The shotgun is equipped with a full-length MIL-STD-1913 Picatinny rail, front and aperture sights, and an optional Steiner MPS red dot sight for enhanced accuracy. 2 barrel lengths are available, 18.5 inches for dismounted forces and 26 inches for asset protection. Benelli's Drone Guardian provides a cost-effective alternative to electronic jamming systems, capable of countering various drone types. However, it does require rapid detection and tracking, presenting a challenge in high-pressure scenarios. Despite these challenges, shotguns remain a versatile tool in the military, capable of various tactical applications, from breaching doors to neutralizing light vehicles.